Alrighty, hello everyone. So this is my tutorial on how to download and set up RDP. So RDP stands for Remote Desktop Plus. Basically just means that you can use that to macro your games or whatever, as it's usually used for macroing games, and you can still use your main desktop. So I will have all of the links in the description, so you may follow along as I go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the first link, and it'll bring you to a GitHub site. To the GitHub site, and you want to scroll down until you see the RDP wrap.zip. Simply just click on that and then come to files. I'll actually delete this because I have way too many of it. But RDP wrap here, you want to open this and then just double click on the install.bat. That will download the Remote Desktop Plus, or sorry, not Remote Desktop Plus, Remote Desktop to your PC. Then you want to go ahead and click on rdpconf.exe. Don't worry about the threats found thing in the bottom. That's just Windows security not knowing what it's for, so it just automatically detects it as a threat, even if it's not. But once you've done this, it'll open and you'll see the first two should be green and the last one will be red. To fix this, you want to go to the second link in the description, of course. Then you want to right click and go save as. Then once you've done that, you want to remove the .txt from the name and then go to save as type and just set that to all files and then save. I already have this, so I'll just go back to my I'll just simply go back to my file explorer. And what you want to do is you want to come here, you want to go ahead and Control C, then you want to come down here, go to this PC, local disk, program files, and move down to RDP wrapper, and then you want to paste this in here. Now when you update your PC, RDP will be out of date, so what you want to do is you want to go to the third link in the description now, and you want to simply download that. I will also delete this because I already do have it. So once you've got that, you want to extract all and then double click on it, and then you want to select both by dragging your mouse over them like this, and then you want to press Control C and then come here, go local disk, go program files, come all the way down to RDP wrapper again, and simply just paste them in there. Now for the last step of downloading, you want to go to the final link in the description, and that will bring you to the RDP homepage, so where you fully download all of the remote desktop programs. What you want is the one that has the most downloads, so that is Remote Desktop Plus 7.0.1. So we'll just go ahead and download that. I already have it, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete it, and I'll go to my regular one. So yeah, we go here, and what you want to do is you want to set your computers to 127.0.0. And then the last number will be how many accounts or how many remote desktop connections you want to open, plus 1 being obviously your main desktop. So I currently have 5, because before this I am currently using multiple remote desktop connections. As you can see here, I'm using one for Anime Vanguards and one for Anime Last Stand. I was also using for ASTDX and Anime Guardians, but I'm not currently doing that. So what you want to do to set up your accounts is you want to just go back, and I'll get rid of all of this, and now you just want to go to settings. And now once you've come to settings, you just want to go to accounts, and then you want to go to other users. Then once you've done that, you just want to go to add account, and it'll load for a bit. Then you want to go, I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then that'll load for a little bit, a few seconds. Then add a user without a Microsoft account. Then you want to add all of this stuff, so go test2, test2, test2. The simplest way to do it is literally just make all of everything the exact same stuff. So That's just how I've made it. So test 2, next. And then what you want to do, you want to press on this and then change account type, and then you want to make this administrator and then press OK. So once you've done that, you can finally close out of that and you can go back to File Explorer now. So we'll just open File Explorer again, go to Downloads, and then you want to open your rdp.exe. And now what you want to do is you're going to want to go to Manage Profiles and then go Add Profile Name, obviously just test2, username, test2, password, oh, sorry about that. Test2 and confirm password being test2. Okay, then that'll add it, and once I've done that, I can just simply close out of that, and I will go to, I can just scroll all the way down, or I can press this and I can select test2. Now what you want to do is you want to go fit screen or maximized. I wouldn't recommend going fixed size because it does make it just like sort of like a box in the corner of your screen. It's quite useless, to be honest. It is not very helpful. But once you do this, I mean, I can go like maximized or fit screen. I do recommend. I'm obviously not going to do this. I'm actually going to delete this. Yep, and I'm going to delete this because these are completely useless for me now. But yeah, I recommend just naming your things whatever you're using them for. So obviously I have AG for Animate Guardians, ALS, ASTDX, and AV. So I'll quickly show you guys what it can do. So I'll just showcase ALS really quickly. So obviously I have this, and it's as normal controlling my mouse, but once I just move, if I just move my mouse over to my second monitor, or if you were to just alt tab, it works completely normally. Like if I were to come back here, it would start clicking again. So that's how RDP works, and it just basically allows you to macro games, but also at the same time keep you allowing you to use your main desktop, so you don't have any struggles with anything. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and potentially hit subscribe if you would, if you like tower defense content. I will be making some mainly ALS and Anime Vanguard's content, as those are the two most popular games currently. And I shall see you guys later.